Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the 6 wonderful health benefits of ginger, and their curative uses. For thousands of years, Arabic, Indian, and Asian healers prized ginger as food and medicine. This tropical plant, in the same botanical family as turmeric and cardamom, was effectively used to relieve nausea and vomiting caused by illness and seasickness. Modern research later confirmed that ginger reduces nausea and vomiting from multiple causes: morning sickness, postoperative upset, chemotherapy treatments, and motion sickness. Studies have shown that ginger is a multifaceted remedy, with at least 6 more healing effects below. Number 1. It reduces pain and inflammation, making it valuable in managing arthritis, headaches, and menstrual cramps. Number 2. It has a warming effect and stimulates circulation. Number 3. It inhibits rhinovirus, which can cause the common cold. Number 4. It inhibits such bacteria as Salmonella, which cause diarrhea, and protozoa, such as Trichomonas. Number 5. In the intestinal tract, it reduces gas and painful spasms. Number 6. It may prevent stomach ulcers caused by nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, such as aspirin and ibuprofen. You can take ginger in whatever form appeals to you, like adding it dry powder to soup, salads, beverages like ginger water or tea, and smoothies. Thanks for watching. For prompt update and videos on health and wellness, like and subscribe to my channel.